Hey there, I am Chris Palmer with ChrisPalmerMarketing.com, and in today's video, I need to share with you this awesome article that Google just gave to us, geared towards affiliate and e-commerce websites, but it is pure gold for getting your local Google Maps and Google Business Profile reviews to stick. So I don't want to waste any time. I want to point out this list. I've actually given you the URL to the actual post that's on Google Search Central. It is literally a blueprint to get your reviews to stick. It's pure gold, I assure you. However, it's written in a way that when I was explaining to my assistant, my brother, and my VA, they're like, "What are you talking about, Chris?" So I had to make a quick little list, and I'm going to share that list with you. But the original post is developers.google.com. Write high quality reviews. Now, the reason why I wanted to point out this list here and why I built out a top 10 out of this list is because of posts like bullet points like this one. Here, let me point this out. Share quantitative measurements about how something measures up in various categories or performance. Or, as number 4 states, compares this service to that service, right? I wanted to put it in terms that we can all understand. So I don't want to waste time here. Let's get into my top 10, and this is my understanding of these how to write high quality reviews as posted by Google. So let's get into it. Number 1, write your review like an actual user. Now, if you've been curating reviews or generating reviews or trying to get reviews to stick, you know when you just write, "I used Chris Palmer Marketing's SEO services, they are the best!" exclamation, the probability of that review sticking is 0. Within 60 days or within 90 days when they purge the reviews, that one's getting removed. I guarantee it. Even if it's a real review, that one's getting removed. Number 2, using expert words. Now, I didn't know a better way to explain this to my brother and my VA. So I used words like expert, and we had a client that was selling and manufacturing and installing wood floors. So in order to explain it to them, what I utilized was, for instance, regular people would call a wood floor, right? But an expert would utilize words like engineered hardwood, or say there's different species such as oak engineered wood hardwood, or there's going to be maple planks. So utilizing LSI or expert words inside of the review is going to be massively impactful. And this is what I've been seeing as we're curating or offering reputation management services. We are finding that well-written reviews have a higher stick rate than just short, sweet, right to the point. All right? They'll either not be showed or they'll get removed. The shorter ones will. Let me show you number 3 here. And again, this is my understanding of this layout, all right? These specific bullet points, all right? And you could read the entire article right here, or you could just look at my top 10. This is pure gold. Pure gold. Number 3, provide evidence. And what that means to us and what we've been seeing as far as leaving reviews is utilize photos. When you utilize a photo and you sort the reviews on Google Maps by, you can sort by relevance, newest, oldest. When you add a photo, it makes that review more relevant. Dude, utilizing photos in the reviews helps them stick. Let's move to the next one. Number 4, compare this service to that service, or share quantitative measurements. All right, compare this to that. If there is a category, a main category or a main service in a category, compare this one to that one. Very, very helpful. And what you're going to see as you read these, writing a bigger review that's more thoughtful, that includes photos, that's going to compare services and give a definition of the actual quality of service is going to stick longer, it's going to show up as more relevant, and it's actually going to get seen by other authentic customers or potential customers. Let's go on to number 5. Tell people how it actually helped you. Not, oh, it's the best. Why is it the best? What makes it the best? What other services did you use that makes you the expert to say that this Chris Palmer Marketing is the best, or whatever service you're utilizing? I hope this makes sense. Thoughtful reviews, they stick better. I assure you. Let's keep going on. Number 6, Why is it different than others? We talked about that. Number 7, why you went with them or this service instead of that service. I wrote, why'd you go with them instead of them? Why did you decide to choose Chris Palmer Marketing over competitor number 1? What was the deciding reason? Was it their marketing? Was it that you trust them? Was it what was it? This is the type of stuff that a real user, that a real customer, that a real review should include. This makes a high quality review. Let's keep going here. Number 7, why you went with them instead of them. We just talked about that. Number 8, how you tried the product before and how it keeps getting better. And what this would actually indicate is that you've been a long time customer and how you've tried, let's just utilize this, bronze package number 1. So there's bronze, silver, and gold. We tried the bronze. We've been with Chris Palmer Marketing for the last year and we decided to level up to gold package, and here's why. This is the type of information that Google deems as a high quality review, and this will help the review stick. If I could share with you the reputation management, all right, that we have been helping our customers achieve, get more reviews and getting them to actually stick. What we're finding is the longer, including the photos, giving more information, containing more LSI, these are the reviews that are sticking. The short, punchy ones just aren't enough anymore. Number 9, most important reasons for buying the actual service. What made you come to the realization or to the final destination of purchasing this particular service or product from X company? Why did you do it? What was the deciding reason? I saw an ad on Google. I was searching YouTube. I heard a podcast. Why did you buy the service? This should be included inside of the review. And number 10, include your brand, website, or a way that people can see the work. For instance, if you're a web designer, all right, I don't do web design, but if you did, you could have something that would state something along the lines of, this, I contacted Joe's Web Design Services on the 4th of October from a Google advertisement, and working with John's Web Design has been nothing but phenomenal. And he did a great, or they did a great job on treeserviceplumbers.com, and the work was done in less than 6 weeks, right? You see how I'm including the brand name. I'm including how they found the actual web design company. I'm including the web designs company name. I'm including my name. I'm including my website so you can see the work. You see how I'm crafting this review? It's going to be long. It's going to be detailed. It's going to be authentic. And this is how you get your Google reviews to stick. Check this post out. You can take my top 10. All I did was literally, when I met with my assistant, my brother this morning, and we talked about this specific thing, right? Getting Google reviews to stick. This is the post that we went over. This is the top 10 most important things in our opinion, my opinion. I hope that this helps you out. If you have any questions about Google reputation management or Google reviews, how to get Google reviews to stick, or just getting your maps to rank, feel free, go ahead and ask in the section below. And I always look forward to seeing you in the next How to Get Your Google Maps Reviews to Stick video. And if you stuck with me until the end, you can utilize SEO Mastermind, all caps, to receive 10% off at services.chrispalmermarketing.com. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.